My name is Castro Marian Saisho Murillo. I'm from Team 4, and I will be presenting my sustainable paper plane project. For this project, I suggest that we can apply two sustainability principles, which are the resource efficiency, which means using the smallest amount of paper possible while still achieving a great flight performance, and also a waste minimization, which is focusing on reducing, reusing, and recycling materials to lower the impact. Um, I believe that these principles are essential because even in a small project like a paper plane, our design choices can reflect responsible and efficient engineering. We could also plan to include two dimensions of sustainable development, which is the environmental dimension, like to make sure our process uses resources responsibly and minimizes waste, and the economic dimension to manage materials efficiently and reduce unnecessary costs. By combining these two dimensions, our project can aim to be both eco friendly and cost efficient. Now, to evaluate our sustainability performance, our team can monitor two key indicators, which are the material efficiency rate, which is MER, the percentage of paper used from the total available material. These will help us and these will help us to understand how efficiently we're using our resources, and the formula is paper used divided by the total available paper times 100%. And secondly, the waste reusability rate, the WRR, that is the percentage of leftover paper that can be reused or recycled. That the formula ends up being reused scraps divided by total waste times 100%. And this will help us track how much waste we prevent from going to the trash. And these indicators will guide our decisions making during the design and construction process. Now, for the first part of our implementation strategy, to apply these principles, I, I mean, we could follow a step-by-step strategy. That first we would have to sketch and test different folding designs before cutting the final paper, and this will allow us to reduce errors and avoid wasting material. Secondly, we can measure and record the amount of paper used in each prototype. This information will help us calculate the material efficiency rate and adjust our design if necessary. Now, to monitor the waste reusability rate, we will collect, weight, and classify all leftover pieces. Reusable scraps will be used for, I don't know, small test models or stabilizers. The rest will be properly recycled or saved for future practices. We also plan to document each stage with photos and short notes so that we can evaluate our process and identify improvements. And this process ensures us that every action reflects our commitment to using resources wisely and minimizing waste. If this approach works well, I believe that it could be scaled to larger engineering projects, such as a model aircraft or mechanical prototypes. Applying these sustainability strategies can reduce material costs, improve efficiency, and lower environmental impact. Through this project, we aim to develop a mindset of responsible and innovative design, even starting with something as simple as a paper plane. All the sustainability principles and indicators were selected from credible academic and institutional sources. Thank you for your attention.